powerful flames, homes leveled, all because of a common appliance.
Most people probably don't know that these need to be checked.
The ABC7i team uncovers the little-known danger in clothes dryers.
So actually, the vent need to be checked and cleaned once a year.
Airflow Chicago cleans dryer vents with a long tube and a brush from the outside of your home.